So with that in mind, why don't we take a few moments together and think about this living flame that is within us. And Nico, if you want to at some point join in with a few keys, that would be fantastic. So if you're comfortable, please, you can close your eyes and take a moment to appreciate right where you are right now. With that next breath in, just appreciate your presence, your breath, honoring that flame that burns inside you. And I invite you to imagine with me that within you is this great world of possibility. It's like this massive open space of possibility. And at its center, you can see that in the center of this place, there is this eternal flame that burns. It's the living presence of your God, of your spirit, of your divine energy. This flame is you. It's that Christ consciousness. And just focus your attention on that presence. Now with each breath, notice this flame getting brighter. With each inhale, this light is shining brighter and brighter. And you can see more of this space that you're in, this space of possibility. You notice it's illuminating your thoughts. It's radiating through your eyes. It's flowing through your hands. It's guiding your heart. And I invite you to place a hand on your heart and feel that presence. Feel the joy, that beautiful energy with each breath. Take a moment to be deeply grateful and appreciative. Like, wow, this has been with me forever. Even before I was here, this light was available. Just allow yourself to presence back into this space, back into your body, back into this room. And now with your consciousness, with your conscious mind and your subconscious listening, just allow these words, say these words to yourself quietly. I am alive. I am alert. I am awake. I am joyous, and I am enthusiastic about life. Just breathe that in nice and deep. And hold it. Bring a smile to your face and let that go. And allow that to be the start of every day. As you're ready, you can open your eyes. Namaste.